also became like a lot rounder, and then I got color on the Invisalign, which is braces. So what it did is kachin la na ngam in the color sa du sambala ngeji joya this ba kude karak chir kachin la ngeji jo di min da takta in the nanglo degum indo anema ani kachin la na nge braces kundu sambala ngeji dewa ju so ya this chilo la in the stand ya nema ngeji so this nanglo le and in the chilo tang du sambala and that the whole frontal teeth also got like out. So yeah, so it made my lip also a little like this. So yeah, in short, you're all artificial beauty. So yes, I am, and I'm proud of it. I bought it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just got it like that. अगर ब्यूटी के साथ पैदा हुआ तो इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है जो काम करके जो खरीद सको ना उसको बिलते ले जा उस पे ताली बजा ले जा TMG लना खा लो रे हाँ मैं सो Invisalign लगे and the solar and the like it's a program of 18 months or something yeah Kuzungal to and ये Instagram पर वो लगे तो ये वीडियो से ये तो ज़्यादा रहा like I'm wearing like a plastic आप बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोलती हैं so thank you are really funny so yeah like I've got a good humor I think yeah my husband likes about that so yeah like obviously people will not remain the same also when you start earning then you start on yourself मरे थोड़ा सा तो जी लेने दो यार इतना काम करती हूँ what's one thing you can't live without sir to be honest I can live without anything because the day I lost my mother I realized that nothing is permanent and humans learn how to live without something so yeah I think I will learn how to live without anything थोड़ा सा deep हो गया भाई साहब लेकिन सच है Honza. Lelo yamarta and the injimingir tara and the injimingi procedure chu maria tambusho guessing at ye chinataya nga bibel doji se supunyak pa chin chira dal little lips the chunjurama. So yeah. I would make my nose a little more pointier here then I would have like the perfect nose because here it's nice I like but here I don't really have like nale preya ngal na buyo mariange ende din so serious na ta chota sin what about birthday video part 2 sa oh yeah I need to upload my birthday 63 so what 63 you are beautiful inside out sir thank you yeah but today your nose bit different so yeah thoda makeup lagaya na You don't need to fix anything, so thank you. No, but with time, like, your like physicality also changes. Mara. So, university la thangbo dudu sambalar taraya ngala konsugir tarang ni joglang meda like I'm not even kidding when I was going to my Italian university they used to call me Asian Barbie because I was so thin like even if you like ask the people that were with me in school in Lotus View or Gopalpur I was really thin nga kambu yora nga tongmo and konsogi didu sambalar taraya tapta yora nga kambu yora and then like nyaji kambata thamdo tapta yora so they used to call me like literally call me Asian Barbie but then you become fat it's होता चलता कोई बात नहीं देख लिया अपन ने जिंदगी सुंदर होने वाली अच्छा आजा when you are going to upload birthday part 2 so I will upload soon lo yeah ya mata na yang ang khong sir da le chi mare chitanga ende upload cheta yang tes nyop se ada mi yang show off do le da ya अभी मैं अपना live जी रहा हूँ तुम लोग show बोले मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा वो आएगा ना Which is your favorite Bollywood movie, sir? Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. I absolutely love that movie. And I think, Nijlawa. since childhood, the way Maddie looked at Rina and he was like, to me the na 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 na, like I liked it so much, and I think I was manifesting it so much that I found a husband who loves me. Like my romantic life is very nice. So yeah, so like I think go for Asian Barbie. Ha. So yeah, the cash the me mango shata the university la me ngabya to guess ya re the jokes so thong na how like that's the thing. That's why like David and I were quite popular in school. They used to call us Ken and Barbie. Kajina no ko the unchen Ken ta na poira Barbie ta se ya. But ko blonde. I guess Jambe is Asian Barbie. So yeah, Jambe can be also. Jambe is a very doll-like face. She's very pretty. Mo tombat is ale pe goto earning mo. How do you take care of your hair, sir? It's difficult to get blonde for a hair like us, black Asian hair. It's very difficult because we have a lot of red pigment in our hair, but we need to use a lot of oil and Olaplex. Thank God, sir. Rana, tere dil mein not in my list, like lotendak. Sure, I will, but please upload soon part 2. Say yeah, I will upload. I have it somewhere. I need to edit it still. Like I needed to do the giveaway, so I did the whole part 2 lembe. Yeah, whole part 2 ngen logo ya. I have also birthday vlog. So birthday vlog time. Any other favorite song in Indian song? No, I was talking about a movie. It's a movie, Rana Tere Dil Mein, not song. Song in that movie everyone likes, like Zara Behekta Mein. I don't like that one. I like Dil Ko Tumse Pyar Hua, Pehli Baar Hua, Tumse Pyar Hua. That one. And then other song from Bollywood. I don't know. I like a lot of songs, but mood pe depend karta hai yaar. Yes, please upload birthday vlogs. Yeah. Sure, we would love to watch your hair and skincare routine. My skincare routine is already on YouTube. Lo, there also dikhta mevetar longi ki into extensive skincare routine share pagela. Sure, we would love to watch your hair. So love to watch your vlogs. So thank you, Tia. You're a very filmy character. So yeah, that's true. I'm a very filmy character. Any favorite Pakistani singer? Ali Zafar. I love Ali Zafar. Like but not the current Ali Zafar. I think he's a little boring now. I used to love Ali Zafar when he first came to Bollywood, like when he made that song Sunre Sajaniya Tere Sang Duniya, that one. I love that song. फिर गाना शुरू कर दिया सा यार सुर का जवाब नहीं सा. Thank you. How much that blue pong shoe costs? What is blue pong shoe? Hello sir. Hi Stenson. What is blue pong shoe? Drina क्यों गुस्से जंगा गुस्से मस क्या चीन लाता ये लाओ मैं कुछ नहीं छुपाता मैं बोल देता हूँ ताहा को सेकंड जो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी ट्रिया एक्सप्रेशंस मारे ठांगुशो मारे ड्रिना ठांगुशो दांगा चल तो संगा क्रीम यागा छियो गुजुर मारे गाजो टल थोना यागा छियो गुजुर कुंचो सुमते. Let me the share what a chida migi. It's expensive to be me. Looking this good don't come for free. Oh, Maran, laptop koto, laptop thela tsupsu. then the tango red digan lang at this king. I love to see a poet that will be taken as an is a near then. I could just. Jangore Pagalan, Yama Dore, young extracurricular activity chore to the choir, face mask chinala. Chin there choir, Spider-Man cousin there, right? She's the Spider-Man. Background, you feel fine blue pong shoes. Ale blue pump shoe lembe, dini lembe, the near the aquamarine the blue candiling alada. Dark blue lanky, light blue link. Drina, you're so pretty. Agreed 100%. So yeah, Drina is a very pretty soul. I swear, I can see. Like she's very. Whenever I talk to Drina Thangbushore, I get only positive vibes, and it's not because Drina used tell me a lot of sweet stuff, but still, like your demeanor, however you say, like even when you just put a smiley on my stories, I get a very positive vibe from you. So yeah. It's not easy to be you. And it's very easy to be me. I killed the things on Gonda taste ring at the all live lay and talking a kyogan. I like this fact. You can do the eyeshadow do you want to learn how to do a very quick eyeshadow routine? Because someone else asked me, right? Someone said that it seems very difficult, right? It's not difficult at all. It's very easy. Like the way I use do my eye makeup. The shasha gonda khar makeup chur kucho. Chita chindayam me. Yes, that is it. Gonda. I'm such a teaser. I'm so sorry. So question answers show. Question like you can ask me anything today. No off limits. You can link. Though you're going to color your hair black in winter, so no. Because once I color black, then it will be very hard for me to go back to blonde again. Yeah, so you video so long you can so like I on the low pay yak poaching in the tongue yang carchi you and Mare, Tandang sooner that I can share a tongue mare. Loyal Minda. I want the video the packet at Shane Shagra Madan can stare. When did you lost your virginity? Take kuncho sum mama. Gombo boss shark chomera dindela, the little like you, this mount us, yeah. But yeah, no. Ayo gompos. Gombo can't have one total of catching. One number long embe. Did the year namalong as a tour the local just some computer came in there. Did you long a the Rista Rojimalena Tandang? No, I'll take offense to that. Shabako Kajin how woman to Maria. Just show us very quick how to do eyeshadows. I think you can so you quickly don't along. The mean the end of brush chikore mean ya. There. The color blending brush saraya. And can so cut your lower. Color curry net the right the dindedo color in a red the matte color dindedo in a red dindedo in a chickly and raya chilola test chu nanglola test chu yeah sheda chumar the test the chilola test chu nanglola apeti nanglola color user come to nanglola test chu yeah any brush the zangma ya kwala se na nga lakpala se da ke shu ga se la an khajilo an gang ne min de ende chi kyuzo tan da de makeup chu dan de kyuzo shu niki tutorial da kyuzo shu Jeffree Star da dizun jang da khonso mik logar kyuzo la pa be ha wi khonso mik da ning ji mo chenbo ende kyuzo shu min de eyeshadow ende triangle do se ga cha da ya mik mo ne ran chunju ya dine ma ga ende cha ru da kyuzo eyeshadow this go ga chu ya 아니 고치라 안디 기마라더라 아니 온데라더라 shimmer color 가르치나 기마들치 안 미닝지 못한 거다 니마 징에 약보친라 볼로 근소라 셴바얀 델람나 상 보제 do you socialize tell us how to work on Asian eyes 알랭이 다나라나서 랑 페게롭타 진짜 카드 dover to doing khadu par to doing sa nga zinda chungni bo to pheshung lap to doing zinda chua bo to nga lo to se la doing di jala ni nga zinda chungni chukji chungni ko pal pur ni chi please make sure your hair care routines are yeah and there are because tiwa sare da because dindre how do you do eye makeup on hooded eyes oninge thandara lapsa on dindre cha inenge on the call video ya kuchen khajin lo anga thanda lera nga ya point khashe khagre khajin na nga kyunso je thanda comment ne lo nga mne na yengre tanga dilap gora mila tanga penachashana thangbo nga minde makeup artist la khonzu miss khanju manjula makeup khandes chugo me on dilap ngera nga nganzo khashe technicality khashe shora on nganzo lab gor makeup artist samala kyun samala makeup chiko chya marta to minde dindel chugo re to minde mi ke je thidu sama indian lengya gora dinzo nganzo lab gora 망치 니 당고시는 배봐야 배바다 게 미다 당한 소여라 Asian fisher 망치기 믹미가 bad 노르게 주도야 당한주 노트에 말이네 간주 따서 호랑한주 이다 유튜버라 나라 뷰티 구르라 나라 혼자만 간주 인지다 게 아프면 제만들 따고라 혼자 믹 참보라 근소 follow chego서 근소 테스트 찍는데다 게미도 이네 네팔리도 이네 테스트 인텔 follow 쳐 foundations yeah also please educate on skin tones yeah that's also very important do you still remember lotus again yeah I remember all of them almost all of them so give us tip what's basic thing we should keep in mind sir what do you mean regarding makeup you mean the main dikhalana like Jeffree Star the James Charles the sultan ko so mik loga embadi ha ko achia dagarande ani ya injin ye dongba ji makeup dikhen so na duge makeup go mar khajina na I like to do a very doll like face like this dongba this go do so go khashe yan dongba yan chisel do so go da how serum and toner works as toner brings the pH level back to normal so 6 or 7 and then serum penetrates inside the skin first layer and goes till the second layer and then moisturizer stays on top and provide moisture not coming out or the outer like air not drying out your skin it's very technical if you ask me I'll go very technical 당부쇼 계속 녀부르다 가지는 게 네가 롭종을 챙겨라 그래서 계속 알람다 얘기 야 레닝지 뭐 인데 게임마다 toner 기와 동바테스닝지 뭐 인데 레마다 얘 계속 bad theory 강서 시그르다 in school days which is your favorite subjects English I used to love English and history I was very intrigued by the historic figures and what like things how the things took place and stuff and then when I was in 11th and 12th I was very very into political science like I liked Tamusha like the teacher makes a big difference on what your favorite subject is right ani nga tara gopalpur le to sambala mixe ki political science ta history khadi loga ge kesa hondi la history lab some history was one of my favorite subjects and I used to love the way he taught I used to love the way he taught now I know why I used to love the way he taught because he went and studied in Finland or somewhere there like around the Nordic area 당무조 코람 in the tanda koran tholop tanda os the PhD pe chire samsu ya Nordic area la that means Nordic means Northern European area Finland Norway yeah Denmark ani the dinzo lungba dinzo la min the lopchong yakshu dinzo lungba la like how to teach the kids and how to like the upbringing kariner taraya yo yakwer yeah he's my jija ale ani tandang zo ge sonam top dere ngazo ge SP la sonam ka SP la sonam pande chera yeah he went to Warsaw ra tanga ha good like I know why I liked their way of teaching so much it made such an impact to me because now as I'm a teacher and I also studied the Finnish way of teaching to the kids and everything I know it makes a difference. That's why I think I absolutely loved how Kesangandula taught. I swear. History, yeah. Nga thamusha nga zinda chukchila minda nge history ya revision ya chiza chige chime. Sonam top gesa. Korangi ming SP khajin re. Korangi chela SP khajin re. Nga ge SP la ranga koran ming une thambe chish konda ina ya nyegi thamusha nga zina chukchila ya nyegi ya history ya revision anatergo chige chimenda thamusha gela gi kharilla bad zinda nanglo ondi chipu nyenda raya I think I got nge zina chukchi history ya zinda chukchila I think I got 81 or 83 out of 100 so that's the impact that a teacher makes on you thamusha che ge estila ST ingi marta ge SP la mare ge ST re ale ge ST la re but I used to love how ge ST la used to teach also because both of them had a very friendly like they were not so formal and they had a very friendly approach to the students I remember nga chicken le do sambala ya nga zala photo album jige ya nga Venice la do ge ya ge kesa onde me de nima jinga so tega parta de sambe ge kesa onde nge gablo le ne kharte yeres nge part those I scared them in the end that makes like such a that makes a person so easy to talk to even if you have questions so yeah that makes a big difference so I think I really cherished Keke Sandula's Lopchong and he went away and I was so sad I swear I was so sad but he was such a good teacher and now I'm not Carlore nga like yagumeda hinerdara like whenever I teach I always get this thing like I can also upload my comments whenever I teach in Zoom and everything like people really appreciate when I teach like they say like it was the best training or like nga European level like yeah like they will always say oh this was the best training you teach amazingly and I think it has a lot to do with how I liked my teacher as like how I liked my teacher how I would have liked my teacher to teach me so yeah it has a lot and then I think Finnish training was the best thing that I ever did in my life kinsu chungtumna kinsu teshiklo ya pedagogy the khalere pedagogy injinala khalere pedagogy she pedagogical re khalere how much the child care yeah Finnish child care te slow to na because it really makes a difference konso nangla homework do take mare ya yes teachers should be friendly and open-minded with their scholars yeah there are I absolutely enjoyed Geke Samandula and Ge Estila and I think those two were friends by the way oh yeah good sir Rangla Tiwa Chigi say yes young no say yeah flying Tibet Hinda Tiwa Pesha Tayan Tiwa Lam in the good day there yeah but yeah see lana gichmi udala, like I really liked how she used to teach. Is that same lip color, sir? I'm not wearing a lipstick. I'm wearing a lip balm. This is from Honest Company, and the color in the dojo do ya. This color this in the dojo do na color in the carpuleg mare ya the lip balm re de. I can use it at all. It's very moisturizing. How is your feeling when Jambe left to her own place? I was obviously sad because I would miss her. My best friend pinga pomochik pachiga re nangne pomo so nangne nangme chik do sama semba ke ore. But then at the same time I was so happy for her because like ngarang pamanangla dedu sambala, the best moment of my life was when I got my own place and I could decide and I could do whatever I wanted with my own place, and I had this sense of independence mare. And when like she finally had her chance, I was very happy for her. I felt like a mother. I felt like, oh, mera bacha bada ho gaya. Yeah, Ma'am Chimila is the best teacher. We call her as Zirina sir. And I used to love Ma'am Chimila. Like she was I think she was one of the teachers who actually the Kalora actually understood also a lot of my struggles, because she used to understand that I had a sick mama at home. Amla was sick, Pala was a little older, so I think she gave me a lot of freedom in such a way, and I appreciate that. And looking back to it, even then I knew she was giving me a lot of freedom in certain ways. And also Gekumbela, I really like Gekumbela also, because I think Gekumbela also understood me. He was a little strict, but at the same time Gechimila actually gave me emotional support, because when my Amla passed away, she would come to me and say, "Dawa, everything okay?" and stuff. When Pala was sick and Pala was in hospital, I was alone at home. I used to go to school also, and then I wouldn't go to school. I wouldn't send her a sick leave because my father was in hospital. I wasn't sick, but I needed to go to school. But I needed to go to the hospital, so she would understand and she would ask me, "Everything okay? Rokpa goya to me there." And thank you so much for lovely answer. I also like Jambe so much. She's so cute. So yeah. And Gekumbela also at the same time. Gekumbela was so strict, but at the same time he was the one teacher who pushed us to do better. Nganzo minda kandis ha gurlo again chik unne hora yakko yume. Like when he doesn't care about winning, Gekumbela nganzo ki gege indi samba zinda gela indi samba la minde ta nganzo ki thangba chi inde la re khamsen di macho che dindur macho che zinda chen yi la ra. Gekumbela was the only one who ngara minde zenye ho chinda to minde ta yan debate the education la ngal le gdo minde kajilana namgi debate the education la I used to go from English raya ngara zenye chine tayangal ke jo thik dum de yanga dum de zindala represent nga chotum de Gekumbela minde zindana la ke che machine ya kusim de nge ya dinzo la ke tang se kyunzu che inda la se nga samye che ape ye kya wa samye che to anta nga so shorgira lar da la ke plan shoria ke chembo marta khonzo la dingja ra ya ke chembo resa ani aju Jambe kyor ka dore me debate ya dargi so yeah, he really gave her the chance, because he knew that abhi chance nahi mila to zindagi mein ye log to kabhi nahi karega laija. And winning was not important to him. Class teacher ra ye nambi na the thobia khechembora again la. But I think he gave it up, and he gave the chance to students who he knew that would never get that chance, or would never even want to do that also. But just for them to have that experience, he just let it go. Ani jogla re kunchasum nganzu zinda nerta kusim gangso ya zinda pacha ji ya bat khora turniya ya pet turniya konso nyam durra jambe ko train मैंने किया था तब या anga khara chairperson re the honorable sangma the honorable judges so we are having our debate today. It's hard to find dedicated teachers like him, so yeah, so I really liked Kekumbala also. And I will tell you a very sweet story also. I'm not hungry. So I think in teachers meeting so some did lines like I got the story later on. Another teacher told me that, like they were really worried that kajina nga zinda gewala min da amna thongdu sambala dawa khashish jelanga zo common exam later ya 아니 콘소 가르셔라 나가 남기나 가 롭존 테스트 약보여라 아니 가 테스트 콘소 삼리야 땅가 페일트 하그레 삼레 또 페일 말하네 또 안기 굽디로 렌지야 콘소 삼이야지야 오 the digging more emotionally thunder manga drain chigre nga section b le to pugu yaga thanga ji section nang lo ya khonso ngala culture ngala section k nang lo la ta khonso gen sam le ta pugu test chiklop jon duga nang lo ne to mo yaga thungur druminde an moran test ige gesiklop igze duga chungne angi diga ma men du samani moran test semba kyogu marela nga section changes ya am na thora and then nga jambe thos ka jambe mo nge section no yomar phajo de la do jambe nga nyam du change ra hamas ende roji chirta nga jambe phagela nga mo best friend chagyorya anga section kila dora nga ye ki chung khajina na bila de do sambal lop chung bad competitive yora ani kila gangza ki tang de ji an kila tes lop chung ya ga thang be che to effortlessly ya ko che ji an shugulani the zindagewa tsara zinda guala khonsu yingala ngo yange b nanglo la tang khajina na nge grades b ejra ni section yaga dina tangra nga ge ku betla damla don chik ngoi gela nga ti chedu samar ngala kela yange ta nga ke zinda gelar tara ge ku belar ke ji chik ngoi ge ku belalas kyu mindalas percentage lo cha las nge sha umedalas ya percentage chipa dor danga angi ya manga kewa du medalas ya gelanga percentage chipa jiga doina nga dina deme gelanga la paranja tan so yeah they were very they were very nice to me in Tambujo. Like I really liked my teachers konsogi they understood me and hamas this chick slack share ja timota chichu do me the end of sha mango sha nyu nga la gela de so I liked it. Getchimila was so like funny and so cool, right? Getchimila the miss kamar the ranga so comes in a shit up to somebody. Like I was literally having an affair that time, okay, from the people coming from out, like like dogane, yeah, like so like not affair, but like someone was trying to woo me. They used to come and tease me and some so they were so nice, Tamusho. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, but Getchimla was seriously very nice and very understanding. But I think I have a lot of stories. Like one of our classmates became a teacher because console they gave hundup nam ge nga science ke like console la yodi cheja inspiration do je but inspired cheja and koran ge gen char sam nang. So teachers are very important. Especially in Tibetan community because we spend the most time with them, even more than our parents. Teachers are the one who like really make the people we are. Because I was in some of the test mean that gay and this class teacher ya test some no in the dotanga doji and the put in the test mean that gets a console idolized chinatara put in the end of child test in the gay and tanga to some nangala. I used to idolize Gike Samundula, Ge Estila, Maran, Gichimila, Gikumbela also, but they are very like, they are hello test and so some of them this Gachimbuch has like Gachimbuch had this chick, yeah. Ani, that's it. No time pass, har time pass. Gay ST from Gopalpur, sir. Yeah, gay ST from Gopalpur. I really enjoyed, awesome and good time stories, sir. Where is the time, sir? It's 10. In half an hour, my husband will be home. Gela, what topic today, sir? Today's topic is Gela. Is Jambi in Germany, sir? I cannot answer that. She will kill me if I did. 그래서 나 잠배지 티와만 뭐만 그야 로구지 나뭐나 코로 된 것도다. Do you have no one to talk to? You seem lonely, sir. No, I'm not really lonely. I have people to talk to, but also I respect their privacy and their private time. So I wouldn't call someone after 7 or after 8 because I know that that's family time, and I wouldn't want to be the person who is literally calling them and disturbing them when their time should be with their family. But here I can talk to you guys, and it's up to you if you want to watch me or not. Madam, kenzo ngala tanere matanere keranzoji dira keranzoji choice ra nga michikla and nga diche go me nga disturb che go me. And also I get very annoyed when people call me. So yeah, I don't like to do the things that annoy me. So yeah, 1 p.m. afternoon here in California. So yes, why I don't like people who call me. I would also kisi mi nga phone tang na tara nga friend request na yo nye pa follow chige me nga kya do samar nye block chisa sorry ya tamosho. It has happened, because I don't like people phone tang ne khaje ke cha kharse unora to the dot answer tiya samune ra mare लोग अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, लोग अपना फैमिली के साथ टाइम गुजार रहे हैं, और तुम उनको फोन कर रहे खा चाहिए why छाड़म बुलाता सो उन्हें छाड़म बुलाएंदा. GST school is very cool. He and Geki song both are cool. I feel like people come live because they have no time pass and no one to talk to. So no, I come live because I have 71 people to talk to actually. No, because it depends. I'm bored and I don't want to disturb one person, right? So I don't want to disturb only one person and call them and take their family time. And also I don't want to talk to random people also. So I don't want to call people who I don't really want to talk to. I don't know. And yeah, and then I don't want to create relationship where there is no relationship actually. I don't want to give importance to people when there is no importance in my mind. So the more I'll call them, the more they will be entitled to think that they really matter in my life. So rather than doing that, I will just talk to the people who are willingly there. You are lucky, you have lots of time to get bored, sir. No, not really. Free day. So yeah, but I came back. So many chido people. No, it's okay. There can be color. This lazy cigarette, but yeah. I'm jealous. I wish I have time like you to get bored, sir. Actually, I wasn't bored. I was a little scared. I have a lot of things to do actually that I'm not doing right now because I was like, okay, let me just go live. Yeah. But yeah. The mint kelsa kerang kwala me how mas yang anzu de la gonda chu. So yeah, I have a basic office day time, yeah, the shoge like not basic office time, but like day work. So my work starts from 10 in the morning, and it stays till like 7 p.m. in the evening. Sometimes it goes up to like 9 p.m. Then after that I'm free, madam. If you work in restaurant or nurse or old age or I don't know what, but if you work in the night, then you won't be free at night. Or if you are right now in California, then it's day for you. Then you're working right now. But then when you are free, then I'm working. So chadi mula chungwaresa gonga ale chadi ngola chungwareki gonga ngola chungwaresa. I knew the answer to this. Nga khasani maranga the answer diyo samsya. How much gonga ngol chungmara ra, like yeah. Why not Mune Kellas join you on live and talk? So no, I don't want to pick up right now. I had a long day and now I am on bed resting. So see, that's the same thing. See, right now we are doing the same thing. I am talking on a live and you are watching me talk, and typing. So technically you are doing the same thing that I'm doing. So yeah, so you have the same time that I have. Mare, just that I'm not on my bed, I'm on my chair, like, go doshing. I also had a long day of work. Like I have mental pressure work. Yeah, my work is very mentally pressuring and all that. So yeah, and it's different. Majil earrings. No, it's not the same thing, Devisa. Yeah, obviously it's not the same thing. I am the person you follow and you are following me right now. Or even if you are not following me, like follow a button the manem nethanda, like you are like looking at me talk, but I wouldn't look at you if you are going on live. So that's not the same thing. But yeah, like watch you, like you're watching me. Talking non-stop in live drain your energy. So no, it's different. Like my job is to talk. I'm a teacher, so yeah, I like talking. It doesn't drain me, so that's different. If it drains you, then it doesn't mean it drain everyone, mare. I must like talking doesn't drain me. I don't know, like what drains me is sitting in front of the computer, like doing Excel sheet. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. Excel really drains me. I hate Excel. Chati me pala gonga khangda chungwaresa. Gonga handis chungur lawa gonga ya di chungre kharsa evolution ki chungre ya te Sambala Buddha and the chene Chunya do cheso. Tiva asa. Oh, yeah, Tiva as chida. Flying tip, Tagi Kiki Tiva Tivolo, then Tiva ni Tima Soraya. Ghost tipa Tiva. Tanga Jojo, then your husband and do the way. The China girls t-shirt. This one I need to kick me la magic look or long. Can I name shot? Chachi. That's happiness for me when I see my kids sleeping. Scientifically, egg came first. I'm not dig the dig the. Come on, chigraji then you pull me. Pull chinjula, precious. Two precious as the young tired, and you pull me a magic look. me ni le babu ni mo bravo ya khala lo keswa ta khonso la nyemba chi to khajina na me lu cha to samla ko zo nyemba to ra shu khonso I chi jen ra mare me lu ge ma jen che me lu sa de jen ra niame po sash mangia questo dai anche questo egg is not evolved hen evolves ni karsa ninje nizi la masu pupa la matsusa niche nizi la ma gotsumasu kanzo in beka gotsumasu da so yeah, if you guys have any question, ask me. Then I might cut their hair on eyesight. Their feel comfort. So yeah, I know. Their appointment is on 29th. I think their dad will take them. They all like it's very hard to get appointment for for dogs. No, there are only a few that I found that are really color, that are really good. So it's been a struggle, and I literally don't have time because when they close, I get off work when the salon closes. I go to work. After that, the salon opens, so it's up to David whenever he gets time to take them. So yeah. So David has to take out the time to take them. Any Jocelyn. Hello from India. So hi. India Juane. Like where in India? You can cut by yourself. I cut myself because they're afraid outside, guys. No, I put like a clip here. I'm afraid to do all this. Like South Karnataka. So wow. Kudos to you for being a kind, humble human being, Tibetan. So that's what I like about you. Sprinkle blessings. Thank you, Drina. Any the way thing is your husband later because 2 minutes doing that. You know Mongol, sir? Yes, of course I know Mongol. Tiwa le mindu ayosa. The flying Tibet thing you tiwa kurkura masya and you nga tiwa maguna kilenga discover. I found you very kind-hearted, so thank you. But don't believe everything on the internet, I swear. I'm saying this myself. Your knows what happens. I mean, makeup lagaya. Dawa come first or deche. If dawa come first, then diki is where. If there is controversy about it, what about domasa? I have no idea what you just said. I mean, you are, so thank you. Seems like you like potatoes. Oh, I love potato. I love potatoes. Ale, Timida seems look like potatoes. So potato potato is the favorite like vegetable of half of this world. So it's okay. I want to be the comfort for my people. I want to be like the comfort food for the people. Like same. Tara like murish. When is baby coming? Sorry, Sale. No, baby is not coming any day sooner. I swear. Like I need to take care of the baby. बेबी जी कार्बन प्रिंट खजमांगो योर हा गुए जामलिंग दिन आंलो लकुन जो थोड़ा बच्चापन कम पैदा करो हम अपने आप में सबको मार देंगे ले जा you look gorgeous तेजिन कुछ ही तो you look gorgeous my love thank you anyways testing you sir alle du bist sehr schön so danke schön chachi tu kapo Join Tenzin. Tenzin, are you free? I don't know if she's free. Had you ever pranked with David? Oh, I play prank on him every day. Every day. Nga kharcha goyla nga David la dikho khongro sagyorya ina nga kharcha goyla. Koya dinde ya khalir dila sweatpants khyan goyya ko thuklo khana thongsa ikenza manche ko sweatpants khungurya. Sweatpants la dila di yora ta khalir dila nara re dikhare di yora dil khalire jawstring dil khalire on di yora kazang ani S1 la dra de S1 na train ya subway dra de khoji ya khoji string test di thende de nge ko string ine jin mat ba come in the shit khoji nga on the chair gatte khola ya on the chair gatte yamenar dara khongala popitali ra into bina chali ra anga khonna khula bina chair gatte ya koile nga minda khongala prank in the chichi do se gatte khonyim kyoriya ayo kids are not easy because you have to sacrifice a lot. So Tia, if you are not ready, please don't try right now. So yeah, I swear, I think I am mentally mature enough to not fall for this. You know, I will not have kids in peer pressure or social pressure if I'm not ready. And also same for David. Like, you know, like we know of the responsibilities we have and the time we have. We don't have enough time to take care of a kid, and he is very ingy. Obviously he's ingy and he wants to take care of the kids very, like, you know, properly in ingy manner. Ingy manner like, you know, he wants to be there for the kids, and right now we don't have the time. And also right now we are also very we are also very aware of the capabilities, yeah. So we have that. We don't have the capabilities of a kid right now. For you can have good nanny, but nanny will not be there 24/7. No, gondanguna suya langre. Mara. And also it will depend on us also. Like, okay, I'm not saying I'll not have nannies, because I know, and then I'll get a lot of scrutiny also on that also, because people will be like, hey, she has nanny. I know, but I want to also like be like the mother figure in my kid's life. I want to play the bigger hand in bringing up my kid, because my mother shaped the person that I am right now, like really shaped the way I am right now. And you know, a huge reason for how I am, like, I think I'm till an extent I have a very open mind, Maria. I think that all comes from my mother, and I'm very I have a very strong mind, and I'm very independent. I don't like to take like, you know, handouts from people, or like, you know, I don't know, seek for help or seek for comfort from people. I don't like that, and I think my mom shaped me into being that woman. So I think I want to give that to my child also. And also my mom taught me my mom taught me how to wear the pants in a relationship also. So yeah. Tongu de joker ke rakha and David ko le jatsen se. You have to look at your age too to make babies. It's too old is risky, sir. Don't worry, people with money don't have that problem. I'm kidding, but yeah, don't worry. There are other ways also. Right now, science and everything is very ahead. Madam, you don't have to look at your age anymore. I mean, I have like nye thanda thongmo nganzo thoko Cristiano yo kodangani ramen spicy ramen challenge 해서 거기 kimetes lo chair yo ya. 거기 kimet thanda lo 주 10개를 로즈래라 거기 부근이와 디게 살다 단다 like 요 뭐야 단다 킨소 바이온텍 me 하고야 메가 지 컴퍼니 첨부죠 단다 킨소 dit세요 벤차샤나 타이널로 딩할라고 신민도 갈라고 그래 타이널로래 다 카리네 메네 디하야 킨소 카레 디메디다 paracetamol da ani shembadi khare kamachikwa oh my god shembadi khare ibuprofen ya onde ji company da consuming da market chik nanglo lage si Tylenol ngaminde L da why takpore shi thugudo Tylenol kajin lo adiminde Europe la digi ming ibuprofen ya onde zo minde market la ki yongya chido konso company chiklar taraya company chikla konso testing sta endo so gore ya on the company de ki thanda the main the head do jera on the koji kimme ya kimi ye diore the la ja wer mo la ya mo lo thanda ship ger da mo pugutni wa thanda ran ke chasre samno also like now like even because I live in a society like that where very older women also have kids ya me Kimi gengoden zubeminde kasagane pu chagro pu bad healthy ning moya so I don't have that problem to be real and I know it sounds a little like yeah but still like yeah I don't have that problem but if you like it takes a lot of money but at the same time I don't have that problem I know the doctors I know everything so I can wait don't worry and also now with the technology you can freeze your eggs so that your eggs stay very young and then yeah so you have a lot of things that you can do you don't have to look at your age don't worry if it comes to me I don't even think I will actually like give birth I don't know I'm not sure maybe like maternity nga dilaya minde nga ngotsa mindo ya thangusho nga dilaya che ngotsa mindo ya like because if you don't want like the feeling of the maternal feeling if you don't have it you don't have it want to khar mo chair mare so injiminde so kime imba chasane tara ama feeling le ko lago mare thangosho and I know that this is very sacred and very special to give birth to your own child but a lot of people cannot and if I can save the pain and the emotional roulette I don't know what I'll do maybe I will get that maternity feeling and I will go through that and it's fine but when your kid is 10 then you will be 60 so too late sir. No but it depends again I said if I am 60 also if my kid is 10 and like for example I'm just saying the kinso kan just go to 단다요 아우디 김수 가리 하우야 아우디 ki manager ya 아우디 ki manager tan managing director yo라 the board member ngas yo야 어디네 찍이야 nga 중앙 신발에 코랑기야 단다랑 코랑기 부글로 찍베 심규야 코랑기 단다랑 단다 quarantine 로 코랑 끼메님도 부게래 끼메르다라 단다르다라 longap chung aksum re ya so onzange le to tanga di lange ta thugumin do ya ine mida mila ra le gre chi gesi ram pesha sa go yu ram inde pugu ta go yu ram pugu nyem do yama ta gyug go yu ya only chena ani pugu test chu ke na so semde yora ina rang la minde the so la nyuba na pugu la tange park la thinge khare chene chinge so shito edu sambala pugu la tha tak da jik shane do thu ya do ji yenar dara khazu chu chu na ke chi maria odi ya mila ralir mare Tia, so when you will be 60, you will look like 40. So thank you. I hope so. But yeah, thank you. No, so it depends on people. Surangal tweeting it. Sweet churala. Yeah, so it depends on people. It depends on people. The minde, the Shah Rukh Khan lo hazare, mare. Shah Rukh Khan the lo hazare. Ngap chuk hazare na Shah Rukh Khan the amla logic pare. But Kolata Aryan Payore Aryan Thanda Lochambure and Korala Abraham Payore on the Lochinjurine. I don't think that people think like oh Sharulon Ngapchula Pulo Ni Resha Domine. Depends on people. Life is not about money, it's about experiencing every stage of life, isn't it? So yes, and that's what I'm saying, because you know, even if you're young, the Gesi Karan Lo Yo Chinjur Taina Karam in there. That depends, yeah. Gesi Karan Lo Chinjur Taina Pu Kertaina Karan Choose chu legal de orta khachina na kheram pugu de la khala danga so tela kheram ngora lapta tanga na ngora kheram in the shimme ro me lega chira yam pugu la lapta ta pugu la ta cholop jo ya ko che kyo mogo mong pa kyo ama pa la ta orta do min de kheminde ta nyeji pugu ji ta nyeji phama la ta nye kher ta thongu de khere kheche tu phama gi ende mango lega chi do khe thenda la do min de the Endelana Pugula Ninja pressurized among a Pamani Tongu Mindurayanga, pressurized Tanga Chimbuchani Amal Tower, Chimbuchan Pala Tower, that only pressure on Kolap to Dorta. Ania Pamagengo Yortara, the Pamagengo Girdaraya, Mizaganza Legachi, yeah. Ani Nimatako Pugunium the day, Tuziki, Mare, Ani Pugula Yama, Chamjam Tiere. Pugula the Gesi Pugu Gilanar Tara among Mindes history Jange Tudulana Madrid la Tiere Castle la Tia Ani the color the Koran la tour chair and Koran la finish lap jonte and the dinner that tetunar and then he will not pressure him also like you know you don't have to take care of me I have my own pension I took care of my own life. You don't have to look like, you know, like take care of me when I'm old. I took care of it. You live your life. Like, you know, it's both fine. So don't worry. Man age didn't matter. Mother is nurturer. So our age matters. Tia, Shah Rukh age doesn't matter. So, yeah. And also, let me tell you one thing. My pala, when I was in school, my pala was one of the oldest palas of the whole bunch. Rangeji tomo ganza ye pala lo chinjur. Nye pala tes gengor ya tambosho. Nye pala jawan indu sambala nye chojani ke raya. Ina nye pala minda khonsu mizana la shereke omar. So the bond between my father and my brothers are equal to zero. Like they don't really care about him. He doesn't really care about them also. But the bond between me and my pala is like this strong because you know like and I take care of him right now. 얘기 코랑기다 칼라네다 낭이네레 칼라이네 카리네 창망이 쳐거려 가진 로고야. You know why? He never once in his lifetime also told me 큐첨부차네 알땅이 켜르다 레지 젤라머뉴 pressure 젤테머뉴 yeah 아니 디모고 the most of his time he spent it with me because he did not have to go to work. He was like a retired army officer, so you know like he had his hassle struggle everything he had done it. And he used to spend most of his time with me. And but I really had my parents in my life. So yeah, that means a lot. So it doesn't matter if you're old and if you're 60, if you have a child who is 10, doesn't matter at all. I was around 10 when my father was 60 and he was the coolest dad ever. Like, you know, I literally, nga thanda movie in the tara, Thanos tang Gamora dope tong kajina nga pala lapta doraya. Pala tham in the junduya, nga lakpa chinjera. Pala's thumb was like this big, so I used to hold on to him and I used to go and he was this big dude. And yeah, he really took care of me. So again, I know Shah Rukh is a millionaire. That's why I'm working so hard. Thank you, students. You don't compare to Shah Rukh. So Shah Rukh is a millionaire. So I think Shah Rukh is almost a billionaire, but it depends, yeah. So yeah, I want to like David and I want to be there for our kids. I think yeah, that's the important thing. I don't. My husband came. dear father, age doesn't matter. How old was your mom when you were 10? So my mom was also older. My mom was about 40 something, yeah, when I was 10. Ciao! Yeah, so my mom was also like 40. When I was born, my mom was 30. So my mom was 40. Yeah, my mom was 40. No, when I was born, my mom was 32, I think. So I was 42. So yeah. Sometimes that will look like Basanti if David is your Viru. Who's Jay, sir? Who's Jay? I don't have a Jay. I might be the Viru. Sorry. Oh. You didn't hug him, sir. He's taking off his jacket. And he needs to hug me. Why should I hug him? He came from work. I did not come from work. 30, 32 is okay. 35 is border, like you still have time, sir. Yeah, I still have time, sir.
Ciao, piccolina.
Ciao.
Tutto bene?
He came from work, Maria, sir. Yeah. He's hugging someone else, so. Yeah. No, but the Nima Kejaria 35, 36 like this. You're not you don't even have to birth your own child. People are telling me that after 35 it will be too hard for me to have a child.
Lina,
Amore, come here. Don't take out the name, but say whatever you want to say.
Hi. A friend of ours just had 2 children. The first one with 47 and the second one with 49.
Yeah.
So, it will be fine.
After 35, women's pregnancy is risky, they said.
Maybe 50 years ago.
Maybe 50 years. No, Amore, right now in developing countries still. No, you cannot think
actually,
yeah.
scientifically, after 20 years of age, our both DNAs goes worse and worse, but it will be fine.
Maybe I will not even birth my child. Who knows?
Yes, you will.
I will not.
You will not birth your child.
Yeah.
You will birth our child.
No. I will not. We talked about surrogacy, no? Okay, what is your age, dear? Yes, I'm telling you. We did not. I told you. I'm doing whatever Linda did. I'm not doing it myself.
Linda didn't do surrogacy, amore.
She did surrogacy.
No, she kept both children.
She gave birth at 47 herself?
With a C-section.
I'm not doing C-section.
That's actually... David told us she's such a good mother for her dogs. We want to see how she is becoming mother of David's child. She will, but now it's not... We don't have time for it. Who will take care of the child? A child needs time.
See, what did I tell you? Nye Carlos cancel. David ke ended like there. Chike power. A child needs time. Laza. Shu ngapu ki me logo marta. Kopi sam na chikpa chike. I'm gonna tell them. What do you think about children right now?
We'll have one. Not now. We need at least 20 hours each less work time a week, and then we can take care of a child. Who's gonna take the child to school and back from school and to sports and stay with the child?
No, take him to the garden, take to the park, children park, take him to the sports, take him to dancing classes. You have to take him to different places. I want my child to have at least, one sports, or one martial arts or whatever, to make him active physically. And then I want to have him in the singing or dancing or whatever, in one of the beautiful artistic extracurriculars.
So he doesn't turn out like the father who cannot do anything.
Yeah, you used to play sports. It's not true. Kush loved the sports. You
Get
both
nanny.
will be good parents. Get a nanny, make enough money. So no,
It's not the same. And we're not waiting 10 years.
Wait a minute.
We're waiting 2-3 years.
Yeah, we have money for the nanny, by the way, okay? But we want to be active parents. We don't want to leave the kid with a nanny. Obviously, we'll have nannies.
Look,
We'll
David,
need to
even
have-
celebrities are busy. They have multiple kids. They have much more money than us.
Yeah, and also they don't want to bring their child.
Look, we found a nanny. I will be your child's nanny when I
And
retire.
it's Drina Amare. She's
Who is she?
amazing. She's very sweet.
Oh, done. Take a screenshot of that.
She's joking, Amare. No, but still, the celebrities don't prioritize in bringing up their own kids. I really think it's important for the parents to bring up their own kids. Upbringing, it's very important for me. Kids call mom to nanny and exa.
Yeah. That's
But I don't want my kids to call me mom or anything. I want my kids to call us by our names. I don't know.
I want my kids to call me yes. Or okay. That's what they have to call me. Married, no children, life is boring.
adopt me.
Married, no children, life is boring, my opinion. Try working more and then tell me again. Ay, amore, daw adopt me.
No, married, no children is boring. No. Our life is very happening right now.
Don't worry, we don't have time to get bored.
Dear, be ready. He said 1 or 2 years, sir. It
No.
doesn't depend on him. It depends on me. My body, my choice. More attachment to nanny than mom,
Happens.
sir. Yeah, it happens.
I also grew up with my grandma.
Yeah, he literally was more attached to his grandma, right, Amore? Yeah.
But we don't have a grandma here, so...
We have a pro grandma.
Yeah, but they are old.
Yeah, I wouldn't leave my child to them.
They're really old now.
They're
We cannot expect
And
it.
I will tell you one thing. My mom is not here, okay? My Italian mother is not here. My mom and dad are not here. I'm not sure if I would leave my child with them also, because one is a little too, artistic, and one is a little too scared. I will never.
And they live in Italy, so...
I will never. I don't know. If I'm not in a very sticky situation, I will not leave my children with his father, because his father is a kid. He's not responsible at all. So he will do all the wrong things with my kids. So yeah. Okay. Everyone talking about children with age. I'm wondering what's your age, sir? I'm 32. One. Oh! I'm 31. I'm 31. Sorry. I'm 31.
Just got 1 year younger.
Yeah. Getting a nanny and taking care of it yourself is a huge difference. Yeah, it's true. So getting a nanny is not really good for the children development, especially the first couple of years. Yeah, from 2 till 7, the kids really learn, and they absorb everything. They're like a sponge. So from 2 years till 7 years, you have to be very careful.
I find it very easy. 50 years ago, you got pregnant when you got pregnant. Because you couldn't really plan it. Now we can plan it. So we will plan it well. And then we'll have a child. Very easy.
And I will really, I will make the child like Joey. He'll be so sassy. Joey, Venikwa. Amore, no. He will be so sassy. He will be so nyokatau. He or she. He will be so mad mommy's boy. Oh, cha. Amore, no. He will be so
31
sassy.
is still young, Tia. You guys are doing the right thing by planning it sensibly. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Thank you.
We just
Really,
plan.
Joy, ame pure mare. Ame pure mare. Am itengal dal.
Morali fatto fare, ok?
Ok.
Che poi ci guardiamo un po' di cose, ok? They will be jealous of baby coming in 8
Yeah.
months.
So
Baby is not
so
coming
baby
in 8
is not
months.
coming. My Joy will not be
And
jealous.
Joy is 10,
Joy is 10 years. Joy is 10 years
so
old.
he will only live with the baby for the first 5 to 6 years. Guruji.
Yeah, Joy will always be the first baby of mommy. Amore lectures attached, let David. Leksha, how are you, sir? Dogs and kids get along well, so I don't think Joey is a very jealous child. I'm sure you will have the cutest kids, so thank you. You two will make cute parents, so thank you. Joey will be jealous of coming, baby. Mixed kids are very cute. Can't wait to see Tia baby, so thank you. 31 is still young, Tia, you guys. Ray, thank you so much. A well-planned pregnancy is better than having a child just for the sake of having a child, because in the end you need to have time for your kids. They're very well put together. She wrote everything that I wanted to say. Yeah, that's the truth, because at the end of the day you need to take time for your children and also need to be financially stable, as she wrote it, and also you will be the one cussing out and saying, fuck, like, I did not think I was ready for this, Yeah.
You can have a child. We could have a child now.
I can have a child right now if I want.
You can have a child even if you don't have the time, even if you don't have the economical situation. You can do it anyway. But that's not the best way to have it, I think. So if we can plan.
I like to do this.
Amore.
Actually, I think you are more scared delivery of baby. Yeah, true. I'm scared of
That is true.
That is true. David said after 2 years. David doesn't mean shit in this house. It's my body. I wear the pants in this relation. See, God punished you. You fell down. Amore, domestic abuse. I'll call 911.
Okay, now I have nothing left.
Yeah, I swear I'll call police on you.
Wasn't even close. Not even this one.
I swear. Haha. You suck.
I do it on purpose.
David will deliver baby LOS. Yeah, if he continues like this, I will. You were about to break my glass with my name on it. And then God would be very angry at you. Yeah, because I'm like a favorite child of my God.
Then why are you so scared? Huh?
What?
Why are you so scared?
Yeah.
Oh, Joey.